Welcome to the picture show.
So, hey everybody, we're going to look at the Fire and Ice trucks one more time. We'll probably look at them more than once before they get out the new batch. But there is, we've got all the ones that we can find, and these came in the double packs. So we've got a dragon, zombie, and El Toro Loco.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. And a Megalodon. So, we're going to open 2 more trucks. Isn't that right, Fisher?
Yeah.
Yeah? So which 2 did you decide to open? You get a Fire, Gravedigger. Well, I'm excited to see that one. And a Blue Thunder. All right, open them up.
Where's this one?
There you go. There's your back of the box. Oh, you need some help? All right.
Oh, did you get it?
I got it. I got a little bit of it.
I got some too. Oh.
So while he's getting that one open, let's look at Mr. Gravedigger. Whoa.
This is his ramp. Yeah, that's a paper ramp. That's the... Well, these ones don't have a poster. With it. And you broke the ramp to him.
And so these are Spinmaster, Fire and Ice, Monster Jam, monster trucks.
Whoa!
Really, really like the Gravedigger.
Yeah, I like the blue gun.
You like the Blue Gunda?
Yeah.
All right, let's break that one out. Come on. Uh-oh.
He almost breaks.
No, no. Almost. All right, set them up.
I gotta hold him like this that I won't fall down.
All right, so this is Spinmaster Monster Jam Blue Thunder. Look at those graphics. What you think, Fisher?
He good.
Yeah.
But he actually can do this.
So if you look inside, they all got little guys in there. Is there a little guy in there? Wow, there's a little guy in there. Little drivers. Little drivers. I don't want to say just guy because we have lots of women Monster Jam drivers too.
Yeah, look, there's one in this one too.
So Monster Jam's coming to Atlanta soon, and we're excited about that.
Look at this one.
I know. We're going to open those on the next video.
Yeah.
And that'll be the last 2 for this set of Fire and Ice. So far, we've got a Megalodon, and a Gravedigger, and a zombie on the fire side. And then we got a Blue Thunder. We got a dragon.
And got
El Toro.
Loco.
Yeah, can you say that again?
El Toro Loco.
All right. So the big race is coming, guys. We didn't do it this weekend because it was raining and wet and cold, and it just didn't finish the track. But we worked on it a little bit, and we're going to keep working on it until we get it done.
Well, we can do it in our backyard too.
Yeah, that's going to be the plan.
Yeah.
Who do you think's going to win the race?
I think this one.
Gravedigger?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Guys, in the comments, you tell us who you think's going to win the race. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox these guys next, and then we'll have all 4 trucks ready to go for our race.
Yeah.
And so again,
Thanks